Commons label /Ylabel for Matplotlib subplots. I have the following plot. And now I would like to give this plot common x-axis labels and y-axis labels. With common, I mean that there should be one big x-axis label below the whole grid of subplots, and one big y-axis label to the right. I can't find anything about this in the documentation for plt.subplots, and my googling suggests that I need to make a big plt.subplot 111 to start with. But how do I then put my 5x2 subplots into that using plt.subplots?
This looks like what you actually want. It applies the same approach of this answer to your specific case.
Since I consider it relevant and elegant enough, no need to specify coordinates to place text, I copy, with a slight adaptation, an answer to another related question. This results in the following, with Matplotlib version 2.2.0.
New in Matplotlib version 3.4, pip install Matplotlib upgrade, Xlabel and Superlabel. See example. See more.
Without char(x) equals true, sherry equals true you get. With it you should get it nicer. But if you want to add additional labels, you should add them only to the edge plots. Adding label for each plot would spoil it. Maybe there is a way to automatically detect repeated labels, but I am not aware of one.
Since the command you used returns a tuple consisting of the figure and a list of the axes instances, it is already sufficient to do something like, mind that I've changed fig, ax to fig, axes. If you happen to want to change some details on a specific subplot, you can access it via axes I, where I iterates over your subplots. It might also be very helpful to include a at the end of the file before the plt.show in order to avoid overlapping labels.
This is